Guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I do my nails. Just keep in mind I am a beginner. I'm self-taught. um I just watch YouTube videos, and I think I ordered a couple of DVDs and was watching that. So I did this set on myself maybe like a week and a half ago, which is like the pink and white. They charge so much money to do the set in the salon. But anyway, I did my own, and now I'm about to do my birthday set. So this is me trying to like thin it down a little bit so it's not too bulky. Y'all know I love glitter, so I had to incorporate a whole bunch of glitter. I got these glitters from Michael's, Hobby Lobby, just anywhere that you see glitter you could use, and they show up really nice on your nails. So I'm just gonna do like a mixture of red and pinks and a little bit of blue and gold and stuff like that. So yeah, this is me prepping everything. So basically I use a clear acrylic, and then I mix the glitter with the clear acrylic and just put it on my nails. Just kind of just create my own set. So I'm sorry for the angle too, like I didn't know where to put that camera, but yeah, I just opened up all the glitters and just kind of just went with it. Like if I wanted pink or some gold or whatever on one finger, then I'll just do that. But this was like me just freestyling and setting the glitter on there. You don't want to put too much, because after I did this, I encapsulated with the clear acrylic on top, and so that's why I was filing my nails down, because I didn't want it to be too bulky. So this gives you like a flat, smooth finish. If you just use a little bit, goes a long way. I bought all my nail supply stuff, like my acrylics, my monomer, like everything I needed to, the fake nails, like everything I needed on Amazon. One day I was just like, I want to do nails, and I just went on my Amazon and just started adding stuff to my cart. Then I'll watch YouTube videos, and like if somebody said to use a certain kind of acrylic, then I'll just add it, which is Mia's Secret. I like them. And I added to my cart, and I pretty much just spent like a few dollars. I mean, it was expensive to follow this dream. Like I didn't even know I wanted to do nails but I've always been interested in nails because I go get my nails done every 2 weeks, and I was spending way too much money on my nails. And I remember just sitting there like, I could do this. Like, why am I paying so much money to get this done when I could do it myself? So I was like, you know what, I'm going to teach myself. So I'm doing these sets. I was paying like $80 to $100 for these sets. So the fact that I could do it myself, man, you know how much money I'm saving? But this is pretty awesome. I want to start taking clients and stuff like that, but I want to make sure that I'm on the level of like these professionals, you know? So I am going to take a few classes in January and really like follow this dream. Like, it's a new journey for me. I'm going to do it. I'm still going to be doing hair, but nails is like, this is fun. Here is a challenge. Okay, I write with my right hand. So doing my left hand is a freaking, doing my right hand with my left hand is a challenge. You could tell from how, just look how my hand is positioned. I struggle all the time. I need to start doing the one that's difficult first, and then it's just smooth sailing after that. But I don't know, I always forget. But oh my gosh, I mean, I still did it, but it's really a challenge doing the opposite hand. But whew, look, I was trying different positions too. I was like, okay, maybe I'll put my hand down. It was just too much, like, but I didn't know how to hold the brush. Even when I'm filing too, like, it's just so hard for me to do that finger. But the fact that I'm doing my own nails, people who are professionals still don't know how to do their own nails. I'm starting off doing my own nails, and then I'm gonna be doing clients. Like, Guys, this is about to be crazy. I didn't record a part where where I encapsulated with the clear glitter, I mean the clear acrylic, but this is after I did that. And now I'm cleaning my cuticle area. I like a clean cuticle. My hands is always in water, so I want to make sure that my cuticle area doesn't lift. So I'm very like detail on this part. Like this takes me a minute because I like to make sure that I get all in there and it's flat and it's no spacing or no holes and no lifting and all that stuff. Your nails lift because these nail techs is not taking their time with this area. So, you know, I learned that on YouTube, girl. But yes, this is definitely important. And I just want to be in a level of these professionals. So this is me spraying some water just to clean off the dust off of it and revealing the glitter. So you see the glitter showed up really, really nice. Like it's, you know, it shows up really nice. And I got this top coat from Amazon. Also, I'm like back in the day, I'm from New York. So we used to do like these hand art, nail art situation. And this is what I grew up on, so I know how to do this. So baby steps. I'll be doing like this New York style, and you know, nail art for now. And then once I graduate, you know, and start drawing on people's nails, stuff like that. Like I want to get on that level, but I can't wait. Well, thank you guys for watching my first recorded nail tutorial / just watch me do my nails situation. I really appreciate it.